there's something I need to tell you about the water cycle. Let's quickly go over what the water cycle is so we're all up to speed. The water cycle just starts with water, like this, all over the earth. The water evaporates and it becomes a gas called water vapour. That water vapour rises up into the sky and becomes clouds. Every cloud you see is made of water vapour. Because it's high up in the sky, away from the surface of the earth, it becomes colder, which means that the water inside of the cloud made of water vapour condenses and then comes down as rain. The rain hits the ground and joins the lakes, rivers and oceans of the earth, and it cycles all around again. So, water becomes water vapour condenses in clouds, comes down as rain, joins the earth again. But here's the thing. That means that every drop of water on earth has gone through this cycle, more or less. They've gone through thousands of different iterations and types of being. They've been in trees and plants, they've been in the ground, they've been in the ocean, they've been through dinosaurs. So that means that any type of water you have, any drink you have, could be dinosaur pee.